Up first, Meat Processing Factory. Allen is renowned for making the best product of meat within 100% quality and care. Without these processing machines, Allen's productivity would be impossible. Finely chopped meat is mixed with a precise amount of ice. Then, it is rotated at the rate of 5,000 revs per minute. Overheating may cause deterioration of sausage quality. That's why it is so important to add ice to reduce the temperature. The final product is poured into the packing container, even though the factory has fully automated machines, but some customers demand handmade tasty sausage within natural skin. Next up is Surmont. Hey, don't you love chocolate cakes? Just add your favorite flavor and push the start button. In one shot, it will give you the cake according to the tray. No need to work layer after layer. This Pomati one-shot depositor is a complete package. You can command it according to the tray size, or even without it. Its sensors know where to place the yield, and where not to. Next up, we have IND Delicado Tech. Fruit juice extraction with keeping the productivity and safety up was challenging for juice industries. But, thanks to IND Delicado Tech's processing system, in just 1 hour, this machine can extract 20 tons of fruit. Any citric fruit can be used for juice extraction, even coconut and pineapples. Next up, Maya Cofis. In this clip, you can see the safe journey of eggs. All the eggs are coming out from the hen's cage. A hen can lay 1 egg each day. In farms, collecting hundreds of eggs from hen to hen is not easy, but with this system, there is no worry about breaking any eggs. When the time comes for egg collection, food is given to the hen, and when the egg starts moving without telling their moms, this system is made up of conveyor belts, elevators, and sensible motors. It is made by a Turkish company, and each day it can process 5 million eggs. Up next, we have Argentina SAI. You have seen some collection techniques. Now, it is time for egg food makers. With these machines, all these eggs are going to be delicious bakery products. Argentina has been doing it for years by using tools and crew. The device you are watching now is Mesa Modular. It comes with a compressor table of 6/8 meters. Depending on your configuration, you can cut doughs of exceptional thickness with the addition of sugars, creams, and jams, allowing to fold, roll, and decorate to make a wide variety of sweet or savory products. Also, the doughs can be puff pastries with and without yeast or single doughs. In short, this marvelous machine is ideal for making bakery products in bulk. Next, the hand TMNM. One of the biggest names in the food processing machine manufacturer is hand TMNM. Here, sausages are processing by the hand TMNM's VF608 Plus. It is more fast and reliable than its competitors. This company has almost all types of machines that can process any kind of food product, from meat products to vegetable processed food, baked goods to dairy products, confectionery, and even pet food. With handyman technology, processing food becomes nice and easy. Next, Fischer Scaler. A 90-year-old company, Fischer Scaler, is still making its trademark product, Parmigiano Reggiano. The company is using new machines, but with ancient techniques to make its product more organic and healthy. First, they cook the milk and add some natural flavors. When the curd is broken, they filter it to obtain the cheese. At last, the yield has been taken to the last jar and placed under water for a specific time. The company claims that its method is 1,000 years old. Next up, the QualiMark Machine. Chapati, meant to be the essential element in Indian food, some historians claim the first chapati was made 5,000 years ago. Only in India, chapati is prepared and eaten by billions each day. For a rapidly growing population, food production needs to be faster, and this QualiMark machine is doing its job very well. The process is simple. Heat is given from beneath, and within a second, chapati becomes ready for eating. Finally, Nemco Food Equipment. Nemco has many types of equipment for food. They give you multiple options for peeling, cutting, slicing, and chopping. These are easy to use and give you the facility to prepare your delicious recipe on time. All the tools are labor-saving, containing size for portion control, compact portable, and simple to use.
A very good thing about plastic is that you can mold it into any shape with any strength, but this requires a molding system. Yankang manufactures a variety of plastic water tank blower plants. First of all, the hollowed form of molten plastic is put between the clamps. Clamps are nothing but frames used to give the shape of the water tank. After closing clamps with hydraulic pressure, the air is used to blow the plastic like a balloon. When it gets to form according to the shape of the clamps, the substance is taken out of the plant. The whole procedure takes a few minutes, depending on the plastic layers and the product size. We all know that metal cans are used for packaging purposes. Well, the automatic can body machine manufactures 40 metal cans per minute. First, the print work is done on the metal sheets. Then both ends of the sheet welded so that they can go into a round cylindrical shape. With auto view technology, the machine detects each can's welding connection line, and using a servo motor, it precisely positions them to the expanding spindle. After body shaping, each can body is transferred to the double squeeze flanging machine to achieve end and top flange of the bodies, then move to the bottom seamer. At last, all the can bodies are turned upside down and exit to the collecting table. In this clip, you will watch the production of heavy bolts and high-strength nuts. Each piece has to pass through cleaning and cutting lines. Then they are heated and pressed by heavy machines to get into the required shape. Finally, by using a lathe, bolts and nuts are precisely crafted for their designed rings. The strength of each piece is tested before finalizing. These special tools are used to construct power plants and large-scale systems, where high strength is required to fix machines and large equipment. Next up, we have the Yonrox 306, a welding machine which can be attached to the production line of can bodies. It has tremendous potential to produce a bulk amount of food and oil containers. Approximately, the machine gives 350 cans per minute. This huge capacity gives manufacturers ease to deal with market demand. Moreover, many sensors precisely hold and shift each can from one manufacturing stage to another. You can also program the machine speed, can size, and welding according to your need. Torin Fuso is a renowned manufacturer of trapezoidal spindles and Acme spindles. This machine can produce each piece with the most diverse diameters, steps, and lengths, according to drawing or sample for all segments of lifting. You can do anything, like directional movements, attach more machine tools, or even craft more segment rings. For higher quality production, they use SAE 1020 and 1045 materials, ground and polished to ensure high quality, durability, and finish on the spindles. Next, we have RCM's double-axle friction welding machine with comprehensive modeling features. Its unique double bed structure offers more operation space. The brand new axle housing, clamping, and positioning device ensure precision during welding, while its high-quality hydraulic drive system makes stable drive power output. There is a comprehensive monitoring system that monitors, records, and stores the welding data, which can easily be seen. No doubt, it's a masterpiece. Ropeways are used for supporting or lifting cable cars, bridges, towers, and even heavy-duty cranes. Before manufacturing, the tensile strength of each wire is measured. These wires are then installed on a stranding machine. This machine draws the cables on a twisting head. For protection purposes, the strand is sprayed with grease. These strands then have to go through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties different strands together. Lastly, the desired diameter and strength are tested again. The Tesker Model 742 die is a thread roller. It can roll up to 12-inch diameter parts using 340,000 pounds of rolling force. It is built to do all heavy-duty work, but yet uses more economically sized dies for cost saving. Its servo drive ensures high accuracy and independent spindle drive axis control. Spring-loaded part stop positions part to the desired location for in-feed rolling, and is spring-loaded for slight part movement. In short, its features are endless. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.